Hello and welcome to the course. In this course, you're gonna learn how you can build your first chatbot for Facebook Messenger. So Facebook Messenger is huge. It has over 900 million active users and the number is growing very quickly. Chatbots are as well a trending topic, and because we spend a lot of time on our mobile phone, 90% of the time we use actually checking the email or using messaging services, so exactly like Facebook Messenger or Telegram or any other you might be using. So I created this course to go through with you step by step how you can build a chatbot for Facebook Messenger. So we're gonna start by creating a concept, and then in a very easy step-by-step process, I'm gonna show you how you can actually make your first chatbot. I'm also going to talk about how you could promote your chatbot and how you can get the first traction, what are the channels which are available now, and also we're going to talk about options to monetize the chatbots for Facebook Messenger. I'm also going to talk about 3 use cases of chatbots which were already created for Facebook Messenger and which already work, so we can learn from the case studies and basically build our own chatbots. I'm gonna wrap up with the main points which I have discussed in the course. So I'm really excited to get into the course and together with you to build your first chatbot for Facebook Messenger. So thank you very much for listening, and I'm gonna see you in the next lecture.